Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Box. And uh, in this video, we will discuss about the KodeKloud. What is that? And if you are thinking about learning Kubernetes and you are for confused about which course or platform to choose, this video can save you a lot of time and money too as well. In this video, I will honestly explain whether the KodeKloud is worth it for Kubernetes beginners, who it is good for and who should avoid it. A lot of people start learning Kubernetes by watching random tutorials, uh, and after a few days they feel completely overwhelmed and quit. One of the biggest reason is choosing the wrong learning platform in the beginning. Because of that, most of the people quit. KodeKloud is mainly designed for people. Okay, so first, what is a KodeKloud? KodeKloud is, you can say, a website or platform mainly designed for the people who prefer hands-on learning instead of watching videos. Most of the courses come with interactive labs where you actually run commands and things instead of just uh, listening to theory. This useful if you learn better by doing things yourself, and most of the people learn mostly by doing things themselves, not just by listening some theory and reading some material. Another good thing about KodeKloud is that you don't need to set up everything on your local system. Like the labs are already provided, so you can focus on learning instead of spending time on environment setup. Like most of the time, whenever I start something, my most of the time go in setting up an environment for testing something. So you don't have to spend your time on all of that. However, it is important to be realistic. KodeKloud assumes that you already know some basics like Linux commands, basic Docker concepts. If you are completely new to the Linux or containers, you might feel lost at the beginning, and you should first learn those basics before starting Kubernetes, because Kubernetes is mostly based on containers and all. And if you don't know how they work, you will face some issues, obviously. Uh, One of the strongest points of KodeKloud is its structure. The courses are divided into small focused lessons, and most concepts are followed by practice labs. This helps you stay consistent and make the learning process less overwhelming. Uh, so this is a better thing about KodeKloud. Uh, Now let's talk about the downsides, because nothing can always have just upsides. There will be downsides as well. So because no platform is perfect, if you are someone who want deep theory or you want to understand Kubernetes internals and architectures in detail, KodeKloud may feel a bit shallow. It focuses more on how to do things rather than why things work internally. So this is, you can say, kind of a downside, because it don't go much in that detail which you will get from the theory, but you will get a practical experience obviously by the labs. So this is the trade-off you need to consider. Also, if you are looking for a very advanced or research level content, this may not be the best place to start. It is more suited for practical learning and real world usage, especially for beginners and early career engineers. So here is the honest conclusion. If you are a beginner or early career engineer who wants to practical uh, Kubernetes experience quickly, KodeKloud is a good option to consider. But if your goal is deep theory and advanced architecture or understanding Kubernetes at a very low level, then this might not be a good right platform for you. If you want to check out the KodeKloud for yourself, I have added a link in the description. This is an affiliate link and it does not change the price for you. And then thanks for watching. If you stay here, you can check out the KodeKloud with the link below. Uh, Also let me know your thoughts about the KodeKloud. If I missed something, or anything in comments. Mm, that's all. See you in the next video.